This is class 9th Information Technology Employability Skills we are taking, 402 code, unit number 3 ICT skills. So we'll see how to write an email, writing an email. So we'll take an example and we'll use Gmail. Please understand, there are different email services. Gmail, because it is right now popular. Yahoo Mail you can use Microsoft's Outlook, and we'll take the example of Gmail. Okay, this is a Google product. So in order to write an email, first you need internet connectivity. First connect to the internet, and then you have to open Gmail. For that you have to go to gmail.com. So type www.gmail.com or just type gmail.com on your address bar of your web browser. Now, when you enter this gmail.com, there will be a form. In this form, you will be asked to put your email ID and password. That is called as sign in. Sign in. Then, once you are signed in, you are verified. Now you will come to the email service. Now you can compose a new message. So a new message will come, a new window will open, and this window will have various tabs, or you can say entry points where you can enter. So we'll take an example. There is a man called Mohan. Now Mohan is interested to send Diwali greetings to 3 women. Diwali greetings or the festival greetings to sister, to his wife, and to his daughter. 3 women, he will be sending the new message, which is Diwali greeting. So he will have a Gmail account. We have already discussed how to open a Gmail account from scratch. In the email ID section, in to section, he will send it to Mohini. So Mohini is the main recipient. Main recipient is Mohini. Now he will do what? He will carbon copy it, CC. So he will send the same email to 2 other person, wife and daughter. So we will take some email accounts, some just random email accounts which we have made already. Oh, so here the 3 people will be sending. So the beauty of emailing is you can send a same email to multiple people at the same time. Right? So first thing is we have already seen email ID has to be entered of the recipient. Then in the subject you have to write that what is the content containing. So when you write Happy Diwali, that's the subject. Now we will come to the main body. Now you can write a formal email. Please remember, email is a formal emailing service. You don't chat there. You don't say yo, how's you, not like that. And you'll write proper best wishes, etc. with a name, and then you will press send. So these are the steps of writing an email. First, in to section, in CC section, subject and main body. To is the email ID to whom you are sending. CC means you are sending it to multiple people along with the to. So now you want to send the email, say you want to send it to 2 people. So you'll carbon copy the mail. For example, your boss, you are sending it to your the person who is working for you, and you are also CCing it or carbon copying it to your boss. Subject is that will come when the user will open the email. It will be as a subject will be seen. Main body, here you will write the actual content. Please remember, you are writing a letter. Email is writing a letter. So it has to be very formal. So main body has to be very formal. You have to give all the salutation, main message and signature. Then you will send. If you want to attach some document, some images, spreadsheet, audio, video, there will be a paperclip button in all the emailing services. So you can attach document, picture, images, audio, video you can send along with this email. So these are the options possible. The most important part of email is that you can attach various documents. Previously, what we will do when we were writing letters, we will write to, then address, then write the proper mail, and then thanking you, etc. Now, if you are writing a letter in paper, you will be adding some photocopies, some Aadhaar card, some ration card. So all these are the attachment. When you actually write it in paper and give it to some friend or some officer, this is a physical letter. Similarly, in email also, you can attach various documents just like you attach it in your physical papers. So a paper clip, it will open a new window. It will you will be able to browse file and folders. Now you select a file, attach it. Once you attach a file, you can have multiple attachments. Okay, there can be multiple attachments. There is a fixed size for various emailing service. You have to be very careful about that. When you see the email form or email window, on the left there will be different folders. Even in your Gmail, Outlook or Yahoo, these folders will be there. Some names may be changed, but all the categories will be available. Inbox is a folder. All the emails which are coming to you, that is somebody is sending email to you, it will come in inbox first. It's like your mailing box. Now when you send an email, that will be shown in sent mail. Now you are getting so many mails now. You said this email is very important. So you can make it important, you can star it also. So this is starring, and for you want to make it as important. All the mail will come here. Now some mail has come. I don't like this email. So this is coming again and again. But I don't want it. So I'll put it in spam. Now if you want to delete some mail, you don't require it now. You can send it to trash. So inbox holds email that people have sent you. Sent are the emails, that folder that you have sent. Draft is important. Say you are composing an email. You have not completed it. It will go to draft. You haven't sent it. You just typed it. It will already go to. It will by automatically itself go to the draft. Then you can take some other time and then you can complete and send it. You can schedule also your email. So the trash and bin, that is you delete mails. Sometimes some mails come which may be useful for some people, not for you. You can put it in spam. So that will not be shown in your inbox whenever it comes. Trash is the recycle bin of your computer has recycle bin. So you will delete your email and it will go to trash. But it will still be seen. In a computer, when you delete a file, it will go to recycle bin. So you have to properly delete it through the recycle bin so that it vanishes from your computer. Similarly, when you delete a mail, it will go to trash. When you completely delete it from trash, then it will be removed from your email. Before we go to the questions, let us take the practical example of this writing an email. So we have made an email ID. This email ID which we created, we'll open it and we will now send it. Okay, we'll send the email through this email ID which we have made specifically for this introduction. So if you see here, the browser, let me show you from the beginning. I am opening a browser. Now you will be opening a Gmail, or if you want to open a Yahoo Mail or Outlook, it's up to you. So first on a browser, you have to write gmail.com. Since I already have an account, I made an account to demonstrate this writing an email. So I am opening an account. So it will ask for username, password. As I already logged in once, so it is just asking password. Otherwise, it will be asking username, password both. Username already entered. On a browser, I type Gmail. Now I have to sign in. This signing in, we have to authenticate yourself. That is, you have to write your password. If you forget your password, that is also possible. It will be received in your mobile or other, say some other email ID you have given, that is recovery email ID. So now we are entering into the email service. So now this emailing service will have all these, this is the window. So these are the emails I've already tried. So I just want to delete it so that we start from the scratch. In inbox, those mail which have come to me, sent are all those mail which I have sent. Sent, those mails which I have sent to other people. Inbox, emails which has come to me. So I am just selecting these two. I am coming to inbox, selecting these. Let us select one of them. See, select. Now there are different buttons which have come. I can delete it. It will go to trash. Spam is, I don't want this mail to be seen in my inbox. Right? Spam is what different messages are coming in which you are not interested in. Okay? So deleting is something different. You are deleting the email, it will go to trash. Spam is you are making that email ID known to email service that I don't want this email in my inbox. Okay. So what we'll do? Let us see. I am deleting it. Just press delete. You have to come here, select it, take it and delete it. Now I am finding it very important sometimes. So I can star it. I can make it important. Sometimes mails are important. So there are different labels coming. Mark as 100, mark as not important. So these are forward as attachment that we'll also see. So we can mute also, that whenever it comes, I don't want any notification. Right? Sometimes your mobile or the apps and the email service will tell you that this new email has come. So we can discuss all this, but the basic thing is I am deleting it now. In sent, these are the mails which I already sent. So sometimes they reply also, you have to reply also. So this also goes into your sent. So I'm just cleaning it. We'll start from the scratch. As I said, when I deleted it, it went to the trash. And when I deleted it, it went to trash, but it is not completely destroyed. It has not vanished. So I can even recover it. Right? So this bin or trash, which you say, will contain all the deleted emails. I have to go to bin and then I delete, then only it will be permanently deleted. So all these are deleted just now. So I will select all of these and I say delete forever. Sometimes I have to recover. So I will just check it and recover it. So it will come again back to the inbox from where it was being deleted. So let us compose a new mail. In order to compose a mail, we have to receive also. So I have created one more email ID. Now that is created in Yahoo. So you'll see here that in Yahoo, when we type an email from Gmail, this will come in Yahoo. So see, again I have already logged in here and logged out. So it is just asking for password. I don't have to enter the username again and again. And something is there, if I incidentally put a wrong password, it will not allow you to enter. So now I entered the actual password. So two mails I just opened because I am writing an email and sending it to you. So sending it to some ID and then I'll show you what email has come. So this mail I have to send it to 3 people, 3 women. Let us assume some name. Say Monica. Okay. Let's say she is my sister. So monica@gmail.com, this is her email ID, email identification. Now I want to send this same email to my wife also. So say sagarika@gmail.com. And one more person I am interested in, I'll send it to my daughter also. So whenever I am typing, you see, it is saving as a draft. So even if sometimes your system goes down or something happens, whatever you have written, it will be saved as draft. You can again get it and you can type. All those content will remain there. So I am CC means carbon copying it to Sagarika, that is my wife, and to my daughter, which is shalu@gmail.com. Please remember this CC is carbon copy. I would have done it in 2 also. In 2, in 2 I have given 3 email ID. That is also I can do. Now in the subject, happy, say Diwali. This is my subject. This is my topic, you can say. Now, when I said happy Diwali, this will be shown here. When you send the email, this will be shown here because subject will be shown to the recipient. When we'll get this, I'll just show you. When we send it, actually, you'll see that it will be shown. That is why this subject becomes important, because the person has to know what kind of email, what the email is containing. So I'm writing an email. Hi. It has to be very formal. Please remember, email is a kind of letter you're sending. So you don't just use slang or use letters which are not allowed in a formal letter. So this is a mail, just a small mail I have written. Now these are the matters. Now I want to have an attachment also. So let us go to the Google and just happy Diwali. Okay, I'm copying it, pasting it. I want some images, good images. So I want to download the image. So I came to images, right click, save as image. Now I save the image. Now it is coming to some folder. We'll use the same folder to attach it. So let us name it as HD. So now I'm attaching using this paper clip, and as you said, as you've seen, HD was the image being downloaded. So now I'm attaching it. So attach file is a paperclip sign. You can attach various files here. Okay. Now I want to add one more attachment. So I'll download. Just I'm trying to tell you that there can be multiple attachment. You can have a document. You can have a PDF. You can have audio, video. All these you can send depending upon the size, maximum size of an email which is given by your emailing service provider. So I have attached 2 just to show you that multiple attachments are possible. So now the email is ready. Now you'll just send. You can also schedule this email. For example, say 11:59. The day Diwali will commence, or the Diwali day is there. Just 1 minute before 12, I want to send it. So I can schedule it. Now I am pressing send. I press the send. The message is sent now. Now since the message has been sent, okay. So now these three images, these 3 emails I have used. This I just used random, just to show you. So you see there is a problem also coming. New message from mail delivery system that these email IDs does not exist. So now what I'll do, I'll just to show you that I am sending this email. I'll show you forwarding also. Same mail I am forwarding also. The mail which I sent, I am forwarding it. And if you see, all the recipients are there. Okay, same content is there. Now in the recipient, I will add one more just to show you that this email, how it will be seen when you receive it, just to show that. Otherwise, composing and send part is complete. I just want to show you that because this Yahoo ID which we have, I am just forwarding this email. Okay, so you can reply also, forward also. So when you send it, now this message has been sent. Now this email ID should get the email which we have sent, which we made it here. So you can refresh it here. Sometimes the email might not come. It will go to spam. So if sometimes you don't get email and the person is saying, I sent you email, didn't you get it? So you can just check it in your spam also. So in spam, in sent, I see, oh, I've sent an email, and this, okay. Now Monica Gmail, it didn't go. So now I send it to the email ID which I wanted to show you. Now let us open this, and now let us refresh. It won't take more than 1 minute, right? It won't take much time. So as I said, if you don't get it for a long time, say 5 minutes, 10 minutes, so possibly it might go into your spam. So inbox, just press and you'll see the email will come. So you see my test email. This was our email ID in Gmail, And this has come as forward because I just told you that I just wanted to show you that I am sending it to an email. Basically, I send it to 3%. That was the sending part, because I wanted to show you how this will be shown in the recipient email ID or email service. This is there. Okay. So I just wanted to show you this. This will come, Happy Diwali, and this is the content. Some part of the content will also be shown. Now this is the email which I sent, composed, and now this has been received at the email ID which I just opened in Yahoo, right? So if it would have come to these three also, if I haven't forwarded it, all three recipients will also be shown. So the recipient will be able to see only CC, not BCC. If you have written some mail ID in BCC, blind common copy, it will not be seen here. Okay. Now you can reply also, thank you so much and all this, and that will go again back to your Gmail, because it will, when you reply, your this Gmail ID will automatically come. Okay. This is the way of creating an email and sending and receiving it. Right. Now coming to the question and answer, what we have seen. What do you type in the to field? You type the email ID. You don't type the topic. Main message is main body. Email person of the person to whom you want to send a copy of the email. No, copy we write email in CC. Email address of the person you are sending the mail to. This is correct. Now you want to send an email message to a friend, Sushil. You want to send it to Sushil. Okay, Sushil, short form Sheel. In which order will you perform the given step to write and send an email to him? First is given type Sushil email address. So I am writing type. Let us see the next one. First is you are typing email address, subject and message. So email ID, you are typing, subject typing and message typing. Now click on the compose button. So compose button will be first. First you will press compose, then only this email address, subject and message will come. So it will come above it. Now click send. Once you compose it, then you will send. So you will send it here. That is, now open your email account. So in order to compose, you have to open your email account. So opening an email account will come first. So opening an email account, then composing, typing all the information, and then sending. Right? So this is the order you are going to do. 4, 2, 1, 3. 4, 2, 1, 3. 4, 2, 1, 3. So if you see here, 4, 2, 1, 3 is in A here. This is the answer. A is the correct answer here. Right? 4, 2, 1, 3 is the correct order which you will adopt in order to send an email. So these are the answer also I have given just for your reference. This is the correct answer for this other part. Fill in the blanks. In to section, dash is typed for sending a message through email. So in to, you will type the email ID of the recipient who is going to get your email. So email ID you are going to give here. Okay, email address. To attach button in email often has a dash at its symbol. So paperclip. This is called a clip or paperclip. In the dash section of the email, the topic of the mail is written. This is the subject section. After typing the message in the main body of an email, you need to click on dash button to send the email. Send button is there. So if you see here, these are the answer. Email ID, paperclip, subject and send is the correct answer. Okay, this is all about writing an email. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.